generator thingamacabob, but it's pretty cool. I didn't code that, but you can certainly do it pretty quickly with just browsing to the websites that you want to make and becoming that person. So up next is Nickerson to hopefully show you what to do with all that information that we've gathered. And so if useful resources to educate yourself. So Paterva, they make Maltego mesh. It's like $340 for a year license. It's probably the best deal as far as a security tool goes. And then Christian and Larry and Mubix all doing research and information gathering and staying active in all that. Yeah. That one? Attacking with that information? Do you want to? Oh, you want me to? Attacking the person with that.
Yeah, I mean, so we have a bunch of Gmail accounts. How can we teach them how to look for the right things by giving them a look at what the attack is? So we're going to send client side. What's good to find if we're going to send a client side attack?
Want to know what? If I'm going to send a client-side attack, I want to know, hey, are they a Mac guy? Are they a Linux guy? Are they a Windows guy? You know, where do they hang out? You know, all these we've had in the past, all that nifty cool ActiveX control overflows. So for like Facebook, so hey, if you're on Facebook every day, when the next Facebook O Day comes out, it's the first one I can send to. And really just, you know, if you can, I guess if you can create a little bit of mystery about them, and I don't know if that's really my boss or not. I mean, I'm going to answer him just in case. That kind of answer that? Put me on the spot. Any other questions? Sorry, I kind of went through that pretty fast. Trying to get it over with. You got it? Everyone's got it. Everyone's going to go home and know everything about their neighbor with that talk. I got a whole bunch of time, actually. All right, thanks. Now we can put up the nasty stuff that Chris put about me on Twitter. Not you, the other Chris.
His whole blog's already done.
Yeah, great.
Hi. Given what you just shown, I wonder if it's not, is it something that's evolving, like companies using it to really control employees and the information they're sharing, or employees who are looking for a new job to proactively limit what they're looking for, maybe taking information away from the company or knowledge?
Sure. Good question. Second part of that is, yeah, I don't think a lot of companies are doing it yet, but should start to look at from a Web 2.0 presence what their companies are doing, what information is being told about the company by employees. The first part was, what was the first part of the question?
I don't remember.
It was about, I guess, just, I haven't seen a lot of companies, and Chris may have a different opinion, and Sharon may have a different opinion of, I haven't seen a lot of companies actually taking a look at that information and seeing what's out there. So we did a pen test, and I handed them, you know, all of their top 20 employees, all their LinkedIn accounts, and they didn't know I could do that.
So you're actually also advising companies to change their policy on information privacy?
We don't tell them to do that, but we give them the report so they can be aware of what's out there. So if I hand them a list of 600 emails that I was able to gather or create, they have an idea that a bad guy, if they sell something that's worth something, or they do credit cards or whatever reason, you don't have a business if you're not making money. So there's going to be a reason for your existence. If you show them, hey, here's 600 emails I found, and this is the 600 people that would get the first fish. Here's all the documents that you share, and here's all the metadata and information I can glean from that. You should probably be sanitizing these documents before you place them on the net. That's a really easy, recommendation for people to do that most people don't even think about. Just throw it up there, and you've got, emails and usernames and when it was created, when it was changed, who made it, what it was made on. That's all really good information for any kind of guy that's going to do client-side attacks or social engineering attacks.
Okay, thanks.
Does that help? Anything else? All right, I'm around, just like everybody else. I'm around. Just hit me up if you have questions.